Two big names in e-signatures trusted by millions. One burning question: which one really delivers? On the left, Adobe Sign, the enterprise-grade signature powerhouse by Adobe. On the right, Zoho Sign, the seamless, budget-friendly challenger built for the modern Zoho ecosystem. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive straight into what actually matters for your business. We'll score them in every key category, and by the end you'll see exactly which service comes out ahead. The answer for 2025 just might surprise you. So here's the game plan. We're gonna compare these two across a bunch of categories: price, features, ease of use and integration, security and compliance, because, let's be real, nobody wants a data breach, support and customer experience, AI and automation, and then scalability and flexibility. Sound good? Let's get into it. First up, price. So, Adobe Sign, let me just say, it's got all those enterprise vibes, and sometimes it's tucked into Adobe Cloud bundles. But I mean $23.99 per user per month, ouch. Especially for small teams, and don't get me started on the sneaky fees or just how not upfront their pricing page is. Meanwhile, Zoho Sign, it's almost refreshing how transparent they are. You've got free, standard, pro, and enterprise tiers, so you're not forced into some expensive plan. Plus, most folks actually save more than half compared to other platforms, pay-as-you-go, unlimited envelopes. It's kind of the rock star for price. The only catch: some add-ons aren't in base plans. Still, easy win for Zoho Sign here. Next, features. Adobe Sign's got some robust stuff: document tracking, custom branding, and that sweet workflow automation. If you're in the Adobe ecosystem, there's a lot to love. But here's the thing: the coolest stuff like AI is kept at enterprise level, and if you want bulk send or editing options, you gotta shell out for higher tiers. Zoho Sign rolls in with all the essentials right out of the box. You get template management, in-person signing, audit logs, progress tracking, plus AI-powered drafting and reviewing. Even bulk sending and bigger files up to 100 MB. There are some hiccups with multi-signatory docs and yeah, advanced functions sometimes need other Zoho apps, but for regular use, Zoho's ahead. Let's talk ease of use and integrations. Adobe Sign is slick if you live inside Adobe PDF or Creative Cloud. Also, it plays nice with Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace, so that's cool. But if you're not already an Adobe user, there's a bit of a learning curve. Zoho Sign, though, is basically built for simplicity. If you're using Zoho apps, it just clicks. Even non-technical folks, no worries. And it works with G Suite, Office 365, and most CRMs. The flip side: if you're totally outside Zoho, integrations are a bit more limited. Still, Zoho wins for just making things easy. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Zoho Sign actually gives you full-featured e-signatures for free? That's kinda a game changer if you're a startup, no? Now, security and compliance, this is where both flex hard. Adobe Sign has all those certifications: eIDAS, GDPR, HIPAA, SOC 2, multi-factor authentication, timestamps, so your docs are safe. The downside? No fancy AI for identity verification if that's your thing. Zoho Sign, same deal: ESIGN, eIDAS, UETA, HIPAA, all the alphabet soup. MFA, audit trails, encryption. They do drop AI verification, but for 99% of paperwork, you're fine. Honestly, it's too close to call, so I'm gonna say it's a tie. Support and customer experience, this one's kinda spicy. Adobe Sign gives enterprise folks dedicated support, but if you're on lower tiers, no 24/7 help and you might wait a while for answers. Plus, some pretty frustrating regional gaps. Zoho Sign, though, hits back with 24/7 global support for everyone, rapid responses, and you get a dedicated manager even if you're not on some huge plan. Okay, sometimes there are small app issues, but compared to Adobe's slower response, Zoho sort of just wins on sheer helpfulness. Alright, AI and automation, which is, super buzzy in 2025. Adobe Sign does give workflow automation, but only if you're paying for top tier. There's zero built-in AI for drafting or reviewing, and smart fields, yup, you're configuring those manually. Zoho Sign goes all in on AI, drafting, summarization, field suggestions, super efficient doc review, the whole deal. It's so much easier, though some functions are best on higher plans. Either way, Zoho's years ahead here. Last up, scalability and flexibility. Adobe's got some strengths for big enterprises, especially bulk sends if you're paying for higher plans, but envelope limits and unused credits expire, that just feels like a trick to get you to pay more. Zoho Sign does unlimited envelopes, legit, credits carry over, and you've got flexible plans whether you're just signing one doc a month or scaling to thousands. Some advanced admin things only show up in premium plans, but overall, Zoho gives you way more room to grow. If you had to visualize these two in a radar chart, Zoho Sign pretty much maxes out, especially on price, features, support, and AI. Adobe Sign hangs tough on security and enterprise integrations, but those user-friendly points and flexibility. That's all Zoho. So here's the deal, Zoho Sign is, hands down, the value leader, and honestly it's the winner for most businesses, especially if you're using Zoho, Google, or Microsoft apps. That said, if your company breathes Adobe PDF workflows and creative tools, or you need every enterprise checkbox ticked, Adobe Sign is still a really good fit. But for everyone else, Zoho's just easier, cheaper, and more powerful in the day-to-day. Hey, if this helped cut through the SaaS noise for you, make sure to hit follow. I break down top software face-offs every week so you can make smarter choices without all the sales fluff.